This is the 5K Wi-Fi 75 megapixel digital camera. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrived safely. Nice packaging here. Inside here, everything was packed in styrofoam. Inside the package, you are going to get the camera itself, obviously, a soft cloth, 2 rechargeable batteries. There is a 32 gig SD card inside of here, and I'll show you that. A quick start guide and a user manual that walks you through everything you need to know in here. And you're going to get a Type-C charging cable because this is a rechargeable device. You can charge it via a block or a computer. And when you plug it into the computer, you have the option to use it as a charger or to transfer files. First off, I'm not an expert on photography, but right off the bat, I can see that this is going to be perfect for someone like me that wants to learn more about it. The camera is able to capture up to and including 5K UHD resolution videos and 75 megapixel images. So let's go around the camera here. Got a power button right on top, along with the shutter button and this wheel, which I'll show you. The camera has a 3-inch screen on here that you can flip up 180 degrees. It makes it perfect for taking selfies, and it is tripod compatible. On this side, there's a little sliding cover that opens up, and that's where your battery goes. On this side, under this silicone cover, you can see where you plug in your Type-C cable to recharge it or transfer files. 32 gig SD card goes right here. Pops right into place. So the camera has an autofocus feature and 18 times digital zoom. Right here's the zoom buttons. I took some pics at a normal distance and then I zoomed in all the way to help you get a better idea of the zoom quality, and I'll show that stuff over here. There's a display button right here. You can see we've got the display and the timestamp and all that stuff in there. You can turn the display on and off if you want. When you go through your videos using this wheel right here, there's a trash button and there's a play button right here. And you've got a 4-way button right here and an OK button. If you go into the menu, you've got all kinds of options for resolution. You just hit the OK button. You can see we've got 5K, 4K, 2.7, 1080, 720. Just hit the menu button to go back. You know, I won't go through all of these, but there is a ton of built-in filters on here, and I will show you some pics. It's fall here and there's very little sunshine at the moment, but one of the things I like about this camera is that for a beginner like me, it has a ton of options to experiment with and try out. I don't know what half these options are or what they mean, but since it's obviously a digital camera, I can test out some of the different settings and see what each of them do and delete the ones that I don't want or don't like, and I can learn something along the way. Exiting the menu, here's what I think is kind of cool. There's a wheel on here. And you've got a bunch of different settings on here. You've got photo, you've got auto, you've got a timer feature, a burst, video, slow motion, time-lapse recording. You've got a loop. You've got video plus photo, which is cool because you can set it to capture individual photos, you know, while you're filming at certain intervals, and you can set that up in the thing. But the cool thing is too, when you spin the wheel to the next option, it actually appears on the screen and tells you where you're at. That's the auto. So you've got the timer, and it's telling me the burst. Video. There's a flash button you can turn on if you want while you're filming for some light. You can also scroll through the filters left and right here, and there's a ton of filters. If you press the play button right here, you can go into your gallery where you've got your videos and your photos where they're all kept. Also, there's a Wi-Fi function built into the camera that allows you to connect it to your phone so you can easily share videos and photos between the two. They say that you can use this as a webcam or for live streaming, video calls, blogging, and all that. I have not tried that out yet, but the QR code for the app is in the quick start guide. So there you go, an easy to use point and shoot 5K digital camera that would be great for anyone looking to learn more about photography or just capture everyday moments, video blogging, live streaming, all kinds of stuff. Very nice.